Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Rosa here of Splat Communications and Simplified Strategic Solutions. Today is a historical day. The BBM-Sara Uniteam Grand Proclamation Rally will start at 4 p.m. Philippine Arena. This video will show the preparation and rehearsals for today's event as well as the early birds on site several moments ago. On this day, the words of a child will come into full circle and into fruition. Let us listen to the promise of a young boy.
Remember when little Bong Bong said,
"And I will give them plenty of bigas and ulam. I'll give them many gamot at damit. And for their children, I'll give them many toys so they will not cry anymore."
Imagine, fast forward half a century, the time is now. Thanks everyone. We know that everyone is excited to be a part of history and see it unfold right before our eyes. We pray that today's event will be peaceful and successful in making the call and shout of unity be heard. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and share. For those who have not subscribed yet, please do so. May we gently and respectfully request everyone to please not to skip ads whenever possible. Please write down your concerns, suggestions, and questions in the comment portion. In behalf of my gorgeous partner Rowena and the entire Splat Communications and Simplify Strategic Solutions team, this is Rosa. Thank you. Till next time, stay safe. Bye.